All right, page 2 of displaying data. This time we asked a bunch of underclassmen and upperclassmen if they packed their lunch, bought their lunch at school, or got their lunch some other way. So in the very beginning, it tells us we have 85 students, so that's that grand total right there. Right here, we're told how many underclassmen, and 13 packed and 21 bought. So that's the 13, the 21, and the total of 47. We were told of the upperclassmen, 5 packed and 8 bought their lunch at school. So that's the 5 and the 8. So this entire row has to add up to 47. So I subtracted 13 and 21 and got 13. Okay. These two numbers have to add up to 85. So I subtracted 47 from 85 and got 38. These three numbers have to add up to 38, so I subtracted 5 and 8 from 38 and was left with 25. And then we have to add straight down, so 13 plus 5, 21 plus 8, 13 plus 25. All right, so then using these numbers to create the tree diagram, my first branches are underclass versus upper class. And I had 47 underclass and 38 upper class. Then for each of those groups, did they pack, did they buy at school, or did they do something else? So for the underclass, 13, 21, 13. And for the upper, 5, 8, 25. So 5 packed, 8 bought, 25. All right, so for the two Venn diagrams, I decided to compare underclassmen with packed. So right here is the overlap. There were 13 underclassmen that packed, so that went in the middle. There were 47 underclassmen total, so if there's 13 in the middle, there's 34 other ones because those two numbers add up to 47. Then packed, well, 13 were underclassmen and there are 5 other people that packed, so that goes right there in that circle. And then if we add these up and subtract them from the grand total of 85, we're left with 33 other people. All right, and for this Venn diagram, I decided to compare upperclassmen with if they bought at school. So right here, the overlap, there were 8 upper that bought at school. That goes in the middle. The rest of the upperclassmen, well, we had a total of 38. So if there's 8 in the middle, that means there are 30 other upperclassmen. Then bought at school, well, there were 8 upper and there were 21 under. So there's the 8 upper and there's the 21 under. And if we add those three numbers and subtract from 85, there are 26 other students besides those ones. And that finishes up page 2.